Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now we have a talk about Jman and the case we are going in Florida. So to refresh you, October 19, 2022 in Florida. This youth here, Muscle Man name is Dwayne Francis. The next youth is Ford Lord and his real name is Jeff Murray. And they were gunned down Jman in Florida. And Jman now is a part of the 6 gang or the G City gang. So, I'll tell you now where the court case are going with. To be fair, 3 other youth was with Jman. So, I'll tell you about this. Is the court document. Look at it. It's approximately 11:40. This is the police officer talking. I made contact with the resident and reviewed the video footage. The following pictures are synopsis of my finding. So he said Blanc is sitting in the passenger seat of a silver 2012 Infiniti bearing the Florida tag 84D EMC with VIN number. Now the police get the VIN number of the vehicle, you know. VIN number JNI-CV6A-RICM974715DF. Now, him said this guy is standing between the passenger doorway of the same Infiniti, then a black sedan backs up, strike a wood plate at the location, and the location is blocked out. Then them say a black male wearing a tight fitted blue jeans, small size t-shirt, and a black balaclava exit the rear driver door. This is the police talking. Now, look at what the police say. The police say the victims appear to be initially leery of the vehicle. This is the black vehicle will pull up. But initially, the person now, which is Muscle Man, pull out a handgun. But once him see the person in the black tight-fitted blue jeans and the black shirt and the balaclava exit the driver door, it seems like Muscle Man know who the person is. So him kinda chill out. It goes to say, this is what the police are saying now. The black male wearing the tight fitted blue jeans and black shirt walks over and give Muscle Man a fist bump and a handshake. While the blackout name walks to the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's go. Like I say, the black male wearing the tight fitted blue jeans, black shirt and black balaclava walk over and fist bump and give Muscle Man a handshake. Alright, we are gonna move on. Now, this is the police still talking. The police said it should be noted that the black male wearing the tight-fitted blue jeans, which is Jman, and the black shirt and balaclava, is standing next to Muscle Man. When he is shot, okay, so when Muscle Man gets shot, the man in the balaclava, which is Jman, is standing there. When Muscle Man is struck, the black male wearing the tight-fitted jeans and black shirt and balaclava initially drop to the ground. So this is when Jman gets shot in his neck now. So the youth them come out of the car, you know, start shoot. It seems like Jman didn't even know, say the man them did have start fire. Now, after him get hit by gunfire, him drop to the ground and then him get up and run to the rear of the building. The building is 58 25 Blueberry Court. Yo, you see how American police deal with crime, dog? Wanna see that? It said, it should be noted that there is a blood trail towards the direction of 5225 Blueberry Court, which the black male wearing the tight-fitted jeans and the black shirt and balaclava ran. He was running next to a green electrical box prior to running behind the resident. There were blood droplets, so the police traced the blood to the green electrical box, to the back of the yard, which is 58 Blueberry Court. Yo, see how them police track things though, and it is simple. Yo, I don't want to come off course, but why can't Jamaica and Trinidad and them police in the Caribbean do them job like this? Let's go. Now, listen to what the police say. Furthermore, after the shooting, the black male, which is Jman, in the fitted jeans, blue jeans, black shirt, and balaclava, was observed running back from the road in the back of the house where the electrical thing there, to the vehicle that they come in. Prior to running to the vehicle, he fired shots towards the body that was on the ground, who was already on the ground and get shot and dead. That is what Jman did, dog. Yo, this shit is crazy. So, pretty much, this is an open and shut case because everything with the man them do is played out in videos, pictures, witness, in the middle day. I don't know how them are gonna beat that case at the blow up. It is crazy. Jman better take a plea. You understand? He needs to take a plea. Now, look what the police say, and we just have to look on the bottom part right here. So, it said, while watching surveillance footage, it doesn't appear that either the victims were able to fire any shots, and all the shots came from the individuals, the 4 individuals in the black sedan. So now, Jman have a chance, you know. Him have a chance. His murder charge can be lowered. Now, he's a part of it, the thing, but at the same time, them shoot him in the neck. So this right here is a crucial part for Jman, where he might be able to step up out of this. Now, he might get other charges stem from this, maybe conspiracy, but I think all of that can be it. So now that I look at this part right here, Jman have a chance. Him have a chance, cause I go through it. Him have a chance with the murder. He might be able to get out of the murder charge, but he might still have less severe charge where he have to deal with. And that's how the thing run. So that's the update with this Jman thing, and me nah lie, out of all of this, a Jman get the worst thing. And like I said, it's really a sad situation that the man them end up go America, and before them do good, and the man them end up in a Bacanal. It's kinda crazy. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I am out. This is crazy.